Have you ever thought about starting a journal? You might wonder, why would I do that? Well, journaling is more than merely recording the day-to-day. It's a potent instrument for self-enhancement, a doorway to introspection, and a private haven to express thoughts and emotions. It's akin to having an ever-ready, non-judgmental confidant. A journal can be a sanctuary to store your thoughts, dreams, fears, and victories. It's a space to reflect, learn, and evolve. But don't just rely on my word. Some of history's pivotal figures maintained journals. Albert Einstein, the revolutionary physicist, kept comprehensive notes of his thoughts and equations. Frida Kahlo, the celebrated Mexican artist, maintained a journal that mirrored her vibrant paintings. And Leonardo da Vinci filled his journals with fascinating sketches, observations, and inventions. All these remarkable individuals acknowledged the potency of journaling. They used it to refine their ideas, to foster their creativity, and understand themselves better. Journaling was more than a habit. It was a genius's tool. But remember, journaling isn't for just Einsteins or Da Vinci's. It's for anyone seeking self-understanding, mindfulness, or learning from their experiences. So whether you're an aspiring writer, a busy parent, a burdened student, or someone seeking clarity, journaling can be beneficial. It's a straightforward practice with far-reaching benefits, and there are no specific rules to journaling. It's your domain to explore, dream, vent, and discover. Why not give it a try? Who knows what self-discoveries you might stumble upon. Did you know there are different types of journaling? Yes, there's a whole world of journaling beyond the classic Dear Diary entries. Each type serves a unique purpose, catering to various aspects of our lives. First off, we have the gratitude journal. This involves jotting things down you're grateful for each day. It's like a positivity magnet, attracting more good vibes into your life. Then there's the dream journal, where you record your dreams as soon as you wake up. It's a fascinating way to explore the labyrinth of your subconscious mind. Next up, we have the travel journal. It's your personal travel log, where you can pen down your adventures and experiences and the emotions they evoke. It's like capturing your travels in words, making them timeless. The bullet journal, on the other hand, is a productivity tool. It's a mix of a planner, to-do list, and a diary. It's customizable, so you can design it to fit your lifestyle perfectly. There's also the idea journal, where you scribble down any idea that pops into your head. You never know when these ideas might come in handy. Those who find solace in art, there's the art journal. It's a colorful blend of painting, sketching, and writing. It's therapeutic and also a great way to express your creativity. A prayer journal is another type, where you note down your prayers, reflections, or scriptures, or spiritual thoughts. It can be a beautiful way to deepen your faith. And finally, there's the reading journal. For all the bookworms out there, you can record your thoughts, favorite quotes, and reflections on the books you read. It's not a one-size-fits-all scenario here. You might find a combination of different types of journals works best for you. It's all about finding what resonates with your needs and interests. Remember, journaling isn't a chore. It's a journey of self-discovery, a dialogue with your inner self, and a beautiful way to document your life's journey. With so many types of journals, there's bound to be one that resonates with you. Starting a journal is easier than you might think. Let's break it down into simple, manageable steps. First, you need to choose a journal. Now, this might seem like a trivial step, but it's more important than you'd imagine. The journal you choose will be your personal confidant, your silent listener. It can be a simple notebook or an ornate leather-bound diary, a sleek digital app, or a collection of loose papers. The key is to choose something that resonates with you, something that makes you want to write. Next, set aside some time for your journaling. It doesn't have to be a large chunk of time or your day. Even a mere 10 minutes can suffice. What matters is consistency. You might choose to write first thing in the morning to set the tone for your day, or the last thing at night to reflect on your day's events. It's entirely up to you. Now let's move on to the actual writing. Don't worry, you don't need to be a Shakespeare or an Austen. This is your journal, your space. You can write about anything and everything. Your thoughts, your feelings, your dreams, and fears. Even your shopping list if you want to. Start with simple entries. This could be a single sentence or a single word. It could be a sketch or a doodle. It doesn't matter how small or insignificant it seems. The important thing is to start. And here's the secret. There is no right or wrong way to journal. Some people prefer structured entries with headings and bullet points, while others opt for free-form streams of consciousness. Some people write every day, while others write only when the mood strikes. Your journal, your rules. Don't worry about spelling mistakes, grammatical errors, and neat handwriting. Your journal isn't going to grade you. It's a space for you to be unapologetically you. Remember, the first step is always the hardest. Once you start, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. So go on and pick up that pen. Open that app. Start your journaling journey today. Are you ready to take your journaling to the next level? So first, let's chat about the 3 pillars of effective journaling: consistency, honesty, and patience. Consistency is the key to forming any habit, and journaling is no exception. Aim to write in your journal regularly, whether that's once a day, once a week, or even once a month. The frequency isn't as important as simply making it a regular part of your routine. Next, honesty. Your journal is a safe place, a space where you can be unabashedly you. Don't shy away from your feelings, thoughts, or experiences. Write them down as they are, not as you wish they were. Remember, your journal is not a public blog post or a social media update. It's a place for raw, unfiltered expression. And finally, patience. Journaling is a journey, not a destination. Don't rush it. Embrace the process. You might not see the benefits immediately, but trust me, they're building up behind the scenes. Now that we've covered the pillars, let's talk about ways to spice up your journal entries. Who said journaling has to be all about words? Not me, that's for sure. Feel free to get creative. Sketches, doodles, stickers, photos, concert tickets, leaves from a memorable walk. The sky's the limit. These additions can make your journal entries more vivid and can serve as a fun snapshot of your life at that moment. Another tip is to experiment with different types of entries. One day you could write a letter to your future self. The next you might jot down a gratitude list. You could even dedicate an entry to a loved one or a pet. The diverse content will keep your journaling practice fresh and interesting. And remember, there's no right or wrong way to journal. It's a personal practice that should evolve with you. So feel free to bend the rules to make the experiences more enjoyable and meaningful for you. With these tips, your journal will not just be a record of your days, but a treasure trove of your thoughts and experiences. So why should you start journaling? Well, picture this. You've had a long day. Your mind is buzzing with thoughts, and you're feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. You pick up a pen, open a blank journal, and start writing. Suddenly, like a weight has been lifted. This, my friends, is the magic of journaling. It's not for just aspiring writers and introspective philosophers. It's a tool for everyone to relieve stress and declutter the mind. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Journaling also works wonders for boosting creativity. Imagine you're an artist and your thoughts are the colors on your palette. A journal is the canvas where you mix and match these colors, creating new and vibrant ideas. There's something about putting pen to paper that unlocks the creative genius within us. And let's not forget about our dear friend memory. Now, memory can be a bit slippery at times, like a bar of soap in a hot bath. But journaling is like a safety net, catching those precious moments and ideas before they slip away. It's like having a time capsule of your mind, capturing thoughts, events, and experiences that you can revisit anytime. Now, if you're a goal setter, you're in for a treat because journaling is like having a personal coach cheering you on as you sprint toward your goals. Writing down your goals makes them tangible, and tracking your progress keeps you accountable. It's like having a roadmap to success penned in your own hand, and the science backs it up too. Studies have shown that journaling can improve mental health, boost mood, and even strengthen immune function. It's like a workout for your brain, but without the sweat and sore muscles. So there you have it. Journaling is not just an old-fashioned hobby. It's a powerful tool for personal growth and well-being. It's a mirror reflecting your inner world, a bridge connecting your thoughts and actions, and a canvas where you paint the story of your life. In the pages of a journal, you can discover yourself, dream, heal, and grow. I hope you enjoyed this podcast on journaling. I will put some links in the description below and in the podcast description as well with